Would alien species use the same math as we do? I would say yes and no at the same time. No, because our math is described by a man-made notation using man-made letters, numbers, and units. I personally believe in aliens, because there's no way universe is so vast and we're the only creatures that exist there. But personally, I doubt that there are aliens that are smarter than human beings. Most likely they're as smart as single-cell bacteria, or as smart as sharks. But let's assume that they're as intelligent as humans. So obviously they'll have their own notation. They will not have kilograms, they will not have pounds, Fahrenheit, Celsius, and etc. They'll come up with their own measurement system. But I'm going to say that they're going to be using the same math if we boldly assume that there is a perfect circle in a different galaxy where they live. If there is a perfect circle, it means that they can discover circumference and diameter, and they can discover pi. Pi is not some kind of random constant that was assigned with humans, it's a ratio. Let's also boldly assume they have rectangles. Maybe they will not have 360 degrees in a triangle. It could be 120, it could be some kind of other number they'll come up with. But there will be definitely 4 angles that have the same amount of degrees. Because it's going to work with axioms, such as parallel and perpendicular lines. If they'll come up with rectangles, it means they'll be able to come up with area. If they'll come up with area, they'll be able to approximate area under a curve. If they have good pattern recognition abilities, they will see the more rectangles you put in the area under a curve, the more accurate result you get. Therefore, they will discover infinity. If they will discover infinity, they will discover integral. If they will be able to measure distance in time, they'll be able to find velocity, acceleration, and jerk. And they all derive from distance. That means that they discovered derivative. It's just a matter of intellectual capabilities and environment that aliens live in order to discover the same math that we are using.